Let me show you step by step how to change your Gmail sender name so people see your real name or business name when you send them an email. Jump right into your computer browser and open up your Gmail inbox. Head straight over to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the small gear icon that represents your settings. A menu will pop out on the right side. From there, click on the button at the top that says See All Settings. This will open up your full configuration page with several tabs across the top menu bar. Look for the fourth tab from the left, labeled Accounts and Import, and go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down just a little bit until you find the section labeled Send Mail As. Right here, you will see your current email address along with the exact name that currently gets attached to every outgoing email you send. Right next to your email address on the right side, click on the small text link that says Edit Info. A separate, smaller window is going to pop up on your screen. Inside this window, you will notice two options under the Name section. The top option is selected by default, which simply uses whatever name is on your master Google account. To change this for your emails, click on the radio button right next to the empty text box directly below it. Now, click inside that blank text field and type in the exact new display name you want your recipients to see whenever you email them. The important thing is to remember the trade-off here. Changing this display name only changes what people see on your outgoing emails. It does not change the actual handle of your email address, nor does it update your official Google account name across other Google services like YouTube or Google Docs. In my case, I want this to look clean and official. So after typing the updated name into the box, I'm going to move down to the bottom of that window and click the Save Changes button. The pop-up window will automatically close and bring you right back to your Accounts and Import page. You will now see your updated name listed directly beside your email under the Send Mail As section. From this point forward, every single new email you compose and send out will feature this newly chosen display name to your recipient instead of your old standard name. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.